When food stays in contact with our teeth for more than 12 hours, the bacteria present in our mouth start acting on it. They produce an acid which dissolves the calcium which is present in our enamel. The enamel of the teeth now start discoloring from yellow to brown to grey and then finally black. When enough enamel is dissolved, the tooth structure then just breaks away and chips away and is now called a cavity. Good news is that you can see this entire process happening. So besides seeing a dark spot in your mouth or even a hole in your mouth, you can even feel pain, sensitivity, or even feel food getting stuck all over your mouth. Even despite brushing, you may have constant bad breath. Now these are the signs you know that you may have cavity or cavities which require you to visit a dentist. How do we prevent these horrible cavities? Develop a habit of rinsing after every single meal. Make sure that you're brushing twice a day with a toothpaste containing fluoride. Ensure that you are cleaning between teeth by using flosses or interdental cleaners. We don't keep you away from the foods you love, but we teach you how to eat them without side effects and ensure that you're smiling bright. And if you like this content, then do share, subscribe to The Pain Free Dentist, making dentistry painless, one smile at a time.